Networking can feel intimidating, like stepping into a room full of strangers who all seem more confident, more prepared, and somehow more important than you. But here's the truth. It doesn't have to be complicated, stressful, or overwhelming in the way people make it seem. Stop pretending you're a polished brand, a perfect pitch, or a walking resume that needs to impress everyone. Instead, start by being just a person, showing up honestly, imperfectly, and as yourself. Because at the end of the day, humans respond to humans, not to paper, titles, or business cards. Begin with small, simple gestures, like a smile, a nod, or a casual hi to break the silence. Even something as simple as offering coffee or making a light comment can be far more memorable than listing your credentials. Focus on listening more than talking. Real curiosity and genuine interest will always beat rehearsed lines and scripted introductions. Ask simple questions. Let people share. Most people just want to feel heard and understood. Share your ideas, your thoughts, or even your experiences, rather than just reciting achievements or trying to sound impressive. Remember, networking is simply talking to people and connecting on a basic human level, nothing more than that. Be yourself. Relax your shoulders. Forget the card. Your personality and presence are already enough. Start small. Say hi. Begin one conversation at a time without pressure to be perfect. That's it. You don't need a complicated script, a clever strategy, or a master plan to impress anyone in the room. Connections grow naturally when you show up as a real, approachable, and slightly imperfect human being. And often, the best connections come from the most ordinary, unplanned conversations. So take the pressure off. You're not there to perform, you're there to connect. Because networking isn't a chore, a performance, or a test you need to pass. It's simply talking, sharing, listening, and connecting with people, one small moment at a time.